Model, 18-plate Ford Transit Custom 290L1 Diesel Front-Wheel Drive Special Editions 2.0 TDCi Color Edition Van Very Rare 170ps Model Smiling Face Worth top money. Hard to find these around. Face with hand-over-mouth spares or repairs. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 127284. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 170ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has snapped. Very easy and simple repair on these for someone to fix. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, once this is on the road retail a lot more than a normal transit money. Mouth face bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors.